Living on the Great Barrier Reef and fishing off of a small boat allows us to experience it for all its glory. When we get a window of good weather, we can sleep on the boat and become one with the sea. This is what happened our first time camping on the boat. I turned my head, I'm like, oh, there's bait there. Oh my gosh, there's a shark! You had about 6 attacks.
One after one?
One after one, boom! I couldn't ask for anything better. Good morning, guys!
Morning.
And welcome back to another vlog. I'm Leni, this is my husband Yaniv, and we're wild bee fishing. We are a fishing couple and we just love to fish and have a good time and bring you guys with us. So today we have a new mission.
36 hours
Yes.
on the reef.
Yes. First time on our boat.
Yes. We never did it before. We did it a few times with Dennis on Dennis' boat, but not on our boat.
Yep.
Catch and cook,
Yay.
hopefully. We will do a survival video, eat what we catch. We have like a full, and yeah, let's see how it goes.
It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, it was a little bit bumpy on the way, but now it's looking good.
Let's have a good one. Let's start
go.
the day.
Let's put gloves on. Ah, you have gloves
I'm
already.
already started. First cast of the day, using my lucky Wild Bee OTL 75 chop white assassin on the Ocean Devil 150. Let's catch a big one. You.
Yeah, Leni! I got it on mine as well. Very good, very good. Very good, Leni.
I had an attack right beside the boat. He missed it. And then, oh, I attacked again. And he came and he got it.
Yeah, very
good. A little
good.
bit under the boat.
Try to pump him up, that shark will not take him.
Sorry, I'm just pumping. I'm getting my breath. As you know, Lenny doesn't have good breath.
Oh, I can see him.
Oh, yeah, I see color. So, this is the thing. This is where, oh my gosh, there's a shark! No, I got sharked!
No. Pull him,
No,
pull
a
him,
shark
pull
has
him,
him!
pull him,
Look
pull
over
him.
the edge, look over the edge, look over the edge, look over the edge, look over the edge!
Oh, pull him.
Oh my
You
gosh.
still have him.
Oh, shark.
Oh, he took his tail.
Oh, I'm sorry, guy.
He took his tail.
I'm sorry, guy. No.
It's a bludger. And the shark took his tail. Wow, that was a huge shark.
Yeah,
He's still there. Bring him up.
Getting shark on the first fish of the trip really sucks. But that wasn't even the beginning of it. Losing your favorite lures one after another really hits you where it hurts. Oh, he took the lure. Huge Spanish!
Spanish.
OTL again! Oi!
It was the OTL?
It was the OTL, I just put it on.
Down to. And I saw it before as well. Yep.
Oh, he took it again! That was my last OTL.
Yeah, don't worry about him. He'll be alright. We decided to change it up and do some trolling, some jigging, and some casting in different locations. And after a few fish and giving our arms some rest, we're back to business, baby.
3, 2, 1. Lenore is on, in jigging. I don't know what it is.
Oh no! No. Whoop, up, under the boat. That is my biggest GT jigging, baby. You! I'm
Very
super
good,
happy.
very good.
Ah, he
Very
broke
good.
my
Go to
arm.
the front, show me the... you want to release the jig first?
I'll just release the jig, so.
Very nice G, Leni.
Thank you. He put on a fight because he dove straight down. And for jigging, it's hard to bring GTs up jigging. It's so different compared to casting. Casting, they're like on top of the water, so they only get a little bit. But this guy was about, I don't know, 25 meters steep when he hooked up. And then he took some line with his big force. But it was a nice little fight. 3, 2, 1, bye.
Give me a dance.
Do, 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 do. Yes. Yes. Spanish.
Yeah. Oh, she let go.
She let go? No, she still had it.
Something else took it.
Something else had it.
No, something else took it.
Yaniv had a Spanish attack his lure, and now something else took it after she released it. Something brown. You're okay? You need me to back up?
Yeah. That's it.
Big.
Oh, it's big.
It's a big one, babe.
Big one.
Big one. You!
Can't believe it.
Holy moly.
Spanish. Something brown came. Miss it. Then the GT. This lure is unbelievable. It's a jackfin argo. Look, he inhaled the lure.
He absolutely inhaled it. We'll have to do some surgery to
Oh.
get it out.
Yeah, he's going back to the water.
A beautiful fish. He's all black.
He's all black.
So
Very nice color.
amazing work, Kaimchi. My love. Amazing
Thank
work.
Let's go.
You.
Look at it. I want you to see it. It was
Brand
a
new.
brand new lure. 3 fish in a row took it. The first one, it was, I don't know what it was, maybe a G, maybe something. Second one, Spanish took it all the way in, flew with it in the air, let go in the water, somehow it got released, and then the GT came, boom, like 3 fish, one after one. I never seen something like that. Have a look, be ready. Oh, yeah. You see what I'm talking about?
Oh my God.
You see what I'm talking about? This is what I'm talking about. I'm telling you.
Live, non-stop.
I'm telling you. It's every cast this lure.
Oh my God.
Oh. This is not good. I need my lure back. Oh, he got sharked. I think so. I need my lure back. No, please. I need my lure back.
So just to show you,
Unfortunately, this guy didn't survive.
he got charged. And just to show you, yo.
Look at it. Look on the size of the shark that took him.
So you guys know, like the first, these sharks, I swear, were about 5 meters. Exactly. Anyways, that was,
You understand what I'm talking about?
and that was one bite, so you can just imagine the size of the shark.
What you understand?
We got this lure from our mate Dennis, and he asked for us only one thing: not to cast this lure where we know there's Spanish. As cinematographers, we've always wanted to catch a Spanish attacking the lure and flying through the air from the drone. We thought there wouldn't be any better opportunity than this. So, sorry, Deno. I thought bye-bye. Yeah, I got it on camera. Oh my gosh, I got it on camera.
You got it?
Yes, I got it.
Can't believe.
I got it.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, I got it.
No!
Oh my gosh!
She took the lure!
No! She's on top of it. That was like stupid. That was so stupid. Holy freaking my life. I've never seen anything like that. Ever, ever, ever.
Lenny, tell me that you got it.
I got it.
What is it?
Give me something to eat.
Yes, yes,
Yes!
yes, it's food. It's
We
food,
have
Lenny.
food! We have food!
It's
We
food, Lenny.
have food! We can eat! Drop your jig, drop your jig. Maybe there's more. Drop, 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 drop.
I didn't
drop,
do
drop,
the
drop.
I didn't do the video. We need to film it, no? 'Cause
Drop,
this
drop,
is,
drop.
This is the food.
Yes, but drop, drop, drop. We can, because he's food, he can be on my thing dead. We got food.
He's 38 for sure.
Oh, for sure. No, he's like 40 something. We got food, baby. We got food, baby.
We saved the day. We have food. We
Oh
will
my
survive.
word. Yep, I saved the day. We packed our stuff up and headed to the island where we would camp for the night. Conditions were prime with calm seas and a small breeze just enough to keep the mozzies away. We cracked open a beer and prepared our meal. First, we filleted the fish and then we seasoned and pan-fried it for the tastiest tacos ever.
I don't know what you are doing right now, but go fishing, catch a fish, and make a meal. Fresh fish.
Guys,
That's a wrap.
that's a wrap for tonight. I am exhausted. We're gonna sleep. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow in the morning for Epic Day 2 fun. You! See you then, and we'll let you know who slept better, me or him. Zoop. Good morning.
Good morning, day number 2 on the reef.
Yes.
The sun is just coming up somewhere over there between the clouds. I had a good sleep. How did you sleep?
I had a great sleep. I woke up once.
A little bit of weight.
I had to pee because I drank too much. But that was it. If I didn't drink water too much, then I wouldn't have to pee. And I'd sleep like a baby.
We will head to the reef. We will try to catch some GTs. Let's see if we can find them this morning.
Yep.
And if not, we will catch whatever is there. Some islands behind us.
Yeah.
And we are heading to that side. Let's go. See you soon.
Let's do it. Yay. Yaniv hooked up on something. I see color. GT. You sit in the corner. I don't know what it though.
You feel good?
I don't know. I don't know.
it's on schedule.
Yeah, you're okay? Yeah. Just in his lip, that's all. You want me to take it out of reverse or you're okay?
That's it. I'm lifting him.
Yo, it's not such a small. Listen, compared to what you caught, it's a it's a beautiful banger.
Compared to what I lost, you mean?
Compared to what you lost.
On the Pen Authority,
6,500.
6500,
No speed.
Pen Rod, P6,
Yep.
Slammer.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
He's like, okay. Oh my god! Holy shit!
Yeah.
Holy that reel is smoking. Holy
I never
moly.
saw something like
Holy
this.
moly.
Focus on the fish. Focus on the fish. It's huge, Lenny.
Oh my god.
Focus on the fish.
Oh my god.
This is a big fish. Spanish. You see him?
That's what I did. Yeah, he's on top. There's more around him.
You managed to see him?
Yeah, I see him. Look down.
Yo, he's huge, Lenny.
Oh, he's going to the back.
Yeah, all good. He's big.
This is still closer. Whoa. Oh, he's huge.
He's
Look
huge,
at him.
Lenny.
Look at him on the top.
I see, he's huge. Try to pump him a little bit.
Oh, I sent me off.
Yeah, he changed direction.
He took the
He
hook.
took the hook.
He took the hook. You saw him though, right?
That was huge, Spano. Give me one.
Listen, I connected him. You saw him, right? I'm happy I tied the knot on him. My knot is good enough.
No,
Yeah, it's a G. Very good one. You got him. Yeah, you got him. I'm opening the bill for you. Yeah.
send him.
Let's send this guy back to the drink.
3, 2, 1. I think we will call it a wrap
Yeah,
and we will start to head back. What do you say?
I say, yeah, we can call it a day. It's
We
been
can call it
pretty
a day, a second day.
amazing. Second day.
Yeah.
We can call it a day
It didn't
number 2.
start the best, and we lost a lot of lures and we lost jigs, but it's a part of fishing, and I have to say that I'm enjoying it. Even though it's like there are moments that you see me on the side like almost crying. It's only lure and you say what's happening? It's only lure, you can buy a new one, but you don't understand the connection to the lure, the sentimental to the lure. Every time you catch a fish you appreciate the lure more and you understand how much this lure is worth. It's not about how much it costs, it's how much it's worth.
Yes. And I want to come in and just add to that and ask you guys, because I've got a lure for a year that's caught my biggest, the Wild Bee OTL lure, and it's caught
This
my
one?
biggest, so you know it. And is there a point that you fish it until you lose it? Or do you have a sentimental value and you put it on your mantelpiece and you keep it there as a memory from all the fish that you catch? So what do you say? Leave a comment below.
I say fish it until you lose it. I think the one the masterpiece that's sitting on the shelf are stuff that are really, really unique and custom, and
It
but
says
if
Wild Bee
it's
Fishing
not-
on it. It's a one of a kind special edition. So it is.
Michael, if you watch it, we need another one.
What Lenny likes.
Wild Bee Fishing, please.
Wild Bee Fishing.
Yeah.
It's lucky. But with that, we have 1% battery.
Yeah. So follow,
Like, subscribe,
Yes, and on the Instagram.
Thanks
Bye.
for watching. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, yo, I got it. Look on the OTL, look.